Thinking of getting serious about your money in 2025? Monarch Money might be the budgeting app you have been waiting for, or maybe not. In this quick review, we'll break down the pros, cons, features, and who Monarch is really for. Let's dive in. What is Monarch Money? Monarch Money is a premium personal finance app designed to help you budget, track spending, manage investments, and even collaborate on finances with your partner. It's available on web, iOS, and Android. And unlike some other apps, it doesn't sell your data or show ads. Think of it like a modern alternative to Mint or YNAB, but with a cleaner user interface and more customization. Pros. So, what makes Monarch Money stand out in 2025? Number one, clean and customizable dashboard. You can build your own dashboard with widgets that matter to you. Budgets, cash flow, investments, and goals, super intuitive. Shared access. Monarch makes it easy to manage money with a spouse or financial advisor by allowing shared access with personalized permissions. Strong investment tracking. Unlike many budget apps, Monarch gives you detailed insights into your investment performance across accounts. No ads, no data selling. You pay for the service, and that means no creepy ads or your financial info being sold. Bank syncing is solid. Most major banks and credit cards sync smoothly thanks to Plaid and Finicity integrations. Cons. Now, for the not so great parts, number one, we have no free plan. Monarch costs $14.99 per month or $99 per year. There is a 7-day free trial, but no forever free version. Manual transaction categorization sometimes needed. Automatic categorization is decent, but not perfect. You will need to tweak things now and then. No bill pay feature. If you are looking for full service banking tools like bill payments or checking, this isn't it. Limited reporting options. It gives you the basics, but if you want advanced custom reports or tax tools, you may need to export and do that elsewhere. Who is it for? Monarch Money is best for people who want an ad-free, customizable, and visually clean finance app, especially couples or households managing money together. It's also great if you want investment tracking without diving into spreadsheets. But if you are looking for a free tool or need advanced forecasting or bill pay, Monarch may not check every box. Final verdict. In 2025, Monarch Money is a top-tier budgeting tool for people serious about managing wealth, not just tracking expenses. It is not the cheapest, but it respects your privacy and offers a clean, modern experience. And that's all for our today's review. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a good comment down below and tell me if you already used Monarch or not. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.